Hey there, it's Wendy Bottrell from wendyBottrell.com. And today I wanted to share a topic: enhance your sleep quality and overall well being. You know, sleep tends to be the forgotten pillar of wellness, and we live in a society or a world of busy, busy, busy. And busy is a badge of honor that we're not getting enough sleep. And sleep is so important for our health, our well being, mind, body, and spirit. And so we put together some tips to help you if you have challenges with lack of sleep and the quality of your sleep and overall well being. We've put some tips together. So, you know, sleep is a fundamental aspect of our lives, yet its intricate workings and profound impact on our well being are still being unraveled. And as I said today, I want to go in, explore how it affects and how we can help you with some actionable tips. So, what is the impact of sleep deprivation? So, just a quick question: are you experiencing relentless fatigue or finding yourself operating on stress induced adrenaline throughout the day? Coffee, coffee, coffee. Lack of quality sleep isn't just a minor inconvenience. It ripples through every facet of our being. Individuals with inadequate sleep are at heightened risk for various health conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. It really is so important to focus on sleep. Moreover, it disrupts metabolic functions, triggers weight gain, hormonal imbalances, and fuels inflammation. The toll isn't merely physical, it also influences mood stability, memory retention, and cognitive abilities. So, the three pillars of sleep's purpose: restoration. Sleep serves as a vital period for our bodies and minds to rejuvenate. It's during this times that our bodies repair, grow, and detoxify our brains, ensuring optimal functioning. Also, enhanced learning. Sleep isn't just about physical rest, it's a crucial phase for our brains to consolidate memories and enhance synaptic plasticity, improving learning and cognitive abilities, and energy conservation. You know, by allowing us to conserve energy, sleep ensures we're not in a perpetual state of activity, promoting overall and well being. So, how much do you need? Well, adults require less than growing children, and it's important to prioritize sufficient rest. Experts recommend adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support overall health and well being. And you don't want to skimp on sleep, it's a cornerstone of well being. And I heard Rob Wolf, the author of Paleo Solution, many years ago say if more people just took care of their sleep and got more sleep on a day to day consistent basis, many of the health issues would just simply go away. That's why it's the corner of well being. So, actionable tips for sleep: consistent schedule. And this is really the basis. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by prioritizing 8 hours of sleep every night, including weekends. This consistency, it helps regulate your body's internal clock. And so the way I think about the 8 hours, I generally like to wake up early, between 5 and 6 in the morning. And so I count back from 5 in the morning, and then that's where I prioritize myself to go to sleep. And the importance of getting to sleep before 10:30 is that you're going to have enough time during your 8 hours of sleep that you rejuvenate your body and your brain. So it's really important. Um, Daytime routine: get exposure to sunlight in the morning and engage in regular physical activity during the day, and that signals your body that it's time to be active. This aids in the winding down naturally in the evening. And have a relaxing bedtime ritual, creating a soothing bedtime routine, starting about an hour before. Dim the lights, avoid screens, and indulge in some calming activities like reading or taking a bath to prepare your mind and your body for the restorative sleep. So, your journey can start for better sleep today if you choose. How many of these tips can you incorporate into your daily routine starting now? Your feedback is invaluable. Share your thoughts, ideas with us, and let's help each other continue on the path to holistic wellness. We're here to support. Reach out if we can help. Join our newsletter. We build content on health and fitness in our newsletter, and if you sign up, you'll receive a copy of our complimentary wellness report. And please like and share. As I said, comment if you have um, things to say or ask or ideas. And please like or subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified of new content. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here. Enjoy.